Guys, I did survive last night's dangerous weather, but this time the Met Office has issued a second rare red weather warning. So first of all, the first red warning from Thursday and for last night was in the southwest, but this time this red warning is located into the south east of London, Southampton, Portsmouth, and some other counties of England. Let's watch this red warning from the Met Office.
Overnight, we issued a second red weather warning. These are rare. We only issue them when there is a threat to life from the weather. And we've never issued one before across London and the southeast of England. This swirl of cloud is Storm Eunice. This little hook in particular, a sure sign that that storm was really intensifying as it approached Ireland. And now it's moving its way across England and Wales, bringing strong winds on its southern flank as these isobars really pinch together. And those strong winds are going to move from west to east and also spread further north. Let's look at the gusts. Starting first thing this morning, gusts of 60, 70 miles an hour across the southwest, 80 mile an hour through the Bristol Channel, and then they move, as I said, across the east, the southeast, and then across northern England during the course of the day. Let's take that down a little bit more slowly. So first thing in the morning, gust of wind, 60, 70 miles an hour across the southwest. Those 80, 90 mile an hour gusts just there threatening the north coast of Somerset, Devon,
still for southeast Wales and southwest
and then the
England.
Strongest winds transfer into southeast England.
So that red warning from southwest England and southeast Wales is still there, but the second red warning is for southeast England.
But also we're going to see strong gusts across the East Midlands, East Anglia during the early afternoon, and also across the northwest of England. So
guys, for the second red warning, for southeast England is for 60 and 70 and possibly 80 miles per hour. That will also cause power cuts and also travel disruption, and especially dangerous waves as well, and also falling trees as well.
Just because you're not in a red warning area does not mean that these winds are going to be severe. The potential for disruption across during the early afternoon and also across the northwest of England. So just because you're not in a red warning area does not mean that these winds are going to be severe. The potential for disruption across the amber warning area as well as the red warning area, and a serious threat to life across large parts of England and Wales with these gusty winds throughout Friday. The winds start to ease as we go into the evening time, but let's break down the weather warnings.
Right, watch that second red warning, guys, in southeast
on Thursday to cover
Wales,
southwest England. The second one covering southeast England and London.
So guys, this.
Waves,
so I'll tell you these details of these yellow, amber, and red warnings. So so we'll start with the yellow warning for the snow up to hills for Scotland, up to 5 centimetres and 20 centimetres in hills for Scotland, northeast England, and Northern Ireland. And also a bit for some more wind as well, 50 to 60 miles per hour. For the amber warning, also contains gusts 60 to 70 miles per hour, and the red warning could possibly reach up 80 miles per hour, or maybe 90 miles per hour. It's not going to reach up 100 miles per hour. It's just going to touch to 80 or 90 miles per hour. So people who are in the southeast, make sure to keep safe and look after your family. And also remember, that will also cause some power cuts. And also, for the other red warning for southeast Wales and southwest England, that will also give dangerous waves as well, dangerous sea waves from those gusts of 80 to 90 miles per hour. But sometimes that could possibly give still 70 or 60 miles per hour wind gusts, 60 or 70 miles per hour. But it still will give 80 and 90 miles per hour for that second red warning in southeast. So remember, look after your family and whoever you're with. And remember, as for Friday, do not go camping this evening. It will be very, 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 very dangerous.
Of 70, 80 miles an hour, maybe 90 miles an hour on the coasts in the west. But this broader amber area that we've had in place for a few days Within that, dangerous gusts are still likely. Certainly travel and power disruption is already happening. We do have a yellow wind warning across parts of northern England and a snow warning in place as well. The snow also causing some issues across parts of Northern Ireland, and more particularly eastern Scotland, where the snow is blowing around with the strong winds creating blizzards. Serious weather out there today from Storm Eunice. Please see the Met Office website for the latest on the weather warnings and stay up to date, stay weather aware and stay safe.
So yeah, guys, don't worry about this house. It's just being limited. So yeah, about from that Met Office, the Met Office did say about the red warning of for southeast, southwest England, and also for southeast Wales as well. Remember what he said: keep safe and look after yourselves, and don't panic when this red warning keeps up. That red warning could come by probably Friday evening. By the bit of the start of that red warning for southeast England could come over to probably by Friday evening, I think, and then it probably might be ending by the start of Saturday morning. So remember, be brave, look after your family, and stay safe.